Welcome to DreamCarViews. First of all, a big welcome to all my amazing viewers. If you're watching this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now, it really helps the channel grow. Today, we're talking about something truly luxurious, a Class A diesel motorhome. These are not just motorhomes, they're rolling mansions designed for comfort, style, and long-distance travel. Let's begin with the exterior. These motorhomes are built with bold, aerodynamic designs and full-body paint that looks absolutely stunning on the road. Brands like Thor Motorcoach and Fleetwood offer multiple exterior color options and custom paint finishes that not only look amazing but are also built to last. You'll also find practical features like large storage compartments, slide-out sections, and integrated awnings that create a perfect outdoor living space wherever you park. Now, let's step inside. The interior of a Class A diesel motorhome is like a luxury apartment. From the moment you walk in, you'll see high-end finishes, beautiful hardwood cabinets, polished tile floors, soft LED lighting, and plush furniture. There's usually a spacious living area with comfortable sofas, a big screen TV, and a top-of-the-line sound system, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The kitchen is fully loaded too. You'll get a residential-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, dishwasher, and lots of counter space with solid surface countertops. Whether you're heating leftovers or cooking a gourmet meal, it's all possible right here on the road. The bedroom is designed for rest and privacy. Many models come with king-size beds, memory foam mattresses, ceiling fans, and tons of wardrobe space. Some even offer walk-in closets and washer-dryer combos. And when it comes to bathrooms, you'll find spa-like features including full-size showers, luxury vanities, and elegant lighting. Now let's talk performance. These motorhomes are powered by powerful diesel engines, often in the range of 360 to 600 horsepower. For example, the American Coach American Eagle uses a 605 HP Cummins engine paired with a smooth Allison transmission, giving you power and stability on all types of roads. With advanced suspension and air brake systems, the drive feels safe, smooth, and controlled. Finally, the price. A Class A diesel motorhome is a serious investment. Entry-level luxury models start around $390,000 to $400,000. For example, the Thor Aria starts at about $394,000, while higher-end models like the Winnebago Journey or American Eagle can go up to $600,000 or more, depending on the options and floor plans you choose. So, if you're dreaming of life on the road without sacrificing comfort and luxury, a Class A diesel motorhome is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to DreamCarViews.
Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video.